Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to explain you the problem. If u is equals to tan inverse y by x, then you find dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. Okay, that is very important question. This type of question you will find in long type question also. If you understood this problem, it will help you in solving the long type questions also. So by seeing the question, what you people understood that you have to partially differentiate our function u tan is equals to tan inverse y by x 2 times. Okay, dou square u by dou x square means 2 times with respect to x and 2 times with respect to y. Let us start our solution. Okay, so what is our function given to you? U is equals to tan inverse y by x. So differentiating, we will name it as 1, differentiating partially, okay, partially 1 with respect to equation 1, that is with respect to x. So what we will get, dou u by dou x is equals to, okay, tan inverse. Now children, you people have to understood it, and you people have to remember that this is two functions, function inside function. So what we have to do, it is a type of mother child function. First we have to differentiate our first function, that is mother function, that is differentiation of tan inverse x. What is the differentiation of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. So differentiation of whatever term is there, we have to take. So 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square, again differentiation dou by dou x of the inside function, that is child function, y by x. So it will give you 1 by 1 plus y square by x square into differentiation of y by x. Here y by x is there, so y is constant, our function is 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Okay, so here we will get 1 by x square plus y square. So I am doing the LCM or multiplying here, so it will gives you like this. It is minus y by x square, that is equals to x square by x square. This terms goes up, so the numerator x square by x square plus y square into minus y by x square. So it will gets cancelled, x square gets cancelled, it will give the answer minus y by x square plus y square. Okay, so this is the term we got for dou square u by dou x by dou u by dou x is equals to minus y by x square plus y square. Children, I have told you that we have to differentiate our function with respect to x 2 times. So again differentiating partially with respect to x. So what we have to do, we have to differentiate this term. So we will get dou square u by dou x square. So dou by dou x of minus y by x square plus y square. Children, I think you people know that it is which type of function given. It is in the form of u by v rule. Okay, it is in the form of u by v rule. So what is the formula for u by v rule? V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay, v u dash minus u v dash by v square. So what we will get here, it is our u and it is our v. So let us substitute this this in our let us use our formula, that is v. V means x square plus y square, and differentiation of and I am keeping this minus out. Okay, differentiation of y, that is dou by dou x of y. Ultimately it will give you 0 because we are differentiating with respect to x, but the term is given as y, so its value is 0, minus, okay, y term here, dou by dou x of x square plus y square, okay, by v square. What is our v square? X square plus y square whole square. So what we will get here, it is, don't forget to write minus the first term, x square plus y square into 0, that is differentiation of y with respect to x gives you 0, minus y into differentiation of x square plus y square, that is 2x plus 0. that will give you x square plus y square whole square. So the answer is minus of minus 2xy by x square plus y square whole square. Minus into minus gives you plus 2xy by x square plus y square whole square. Okay, so the solution for dou square u by dou x square is equals to 2xy by x square plus y square whole square. Now we have to differentiate our equation 1, that is our equation u is equals to tan inverse y by x with respect to y 2 times. Okay, so u is equals to tan inverse y by x, partially differentiating 1 with respect to y. Okay, with respect to y. So what we have to do, dou u by dou y is equals to 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square dou by dou y of y by x. So it will give you 1 by 1 plus y square by x square. So we have to differentiate our function y. So 1 by x is constant, differentiation of y becomes 1. So it will gives you x square by x square plus y square into 1 by x. This x gets cancelled. What is the leftover thing? X by x square plus y square. Okay, that is our dou u by dou y. Okay, so here we got our function dou u by dou y is equals to x by x square plus y square. Again differentiating partially with respect to y. Okay, so it will give you dou square u by dou y square is equals to dou by dou y of x by x square plus y square. It is in the form of u by v rule. So again we have to use the same formula, v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay, the same formula we have to use here. So let us use this formula. Dou square u by dou y square. What is our v? X square plus y square, different dou by dou y of x. Okay, minus x as it is, that is our u, then dou by dou y of x square plus y square by x square plus y square whole square. So what we will get here? X square plus y square, dou by dou y of x gives you 0. So this complete term becomes 0 minus x, differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to y. So this x term 0 plus, but y square gives you 2y by x square plus y square whole square. So this will give you minus 2xy by x square plus y square whole square. Okay, so here we get dou square u by dou y square. So now it is given in the question that we have to add this dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. What we will get? What is the solution for dou square u by dou x square? It is 2xy by x square plus y square whole square plus of, what is the solution for dou square u by dou y square? Minus 2xy by x square plus y square whole square. So what we will get? 2xy by x square plus y square whole square plus into minus 2xy by x square plus y square whole square. This 2 term gets cancelled and our answer is 0. Therefore we get dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equals to 0. That is our answer. Okay, so you people, what I think you people understood it clearly. Okay, so you people have to, what you have to do, you have to copy this problem and try to understand it. And in my next video I will solve you one more questions from partial differentiation. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz.